Hey there, CPA, I'm back. I know you would prefer the Tech Team News. I would too. However, they're on a short break while they're restructuring, and then they'll be back with us in the next 2 weeks. So in the meantime, you get me. Well, you've also noticed that it is Club Drive Week. That's right, the clubs are active, they're thriving, but they'd really like to tell you about what's been going on in the clubs, and they would also like to invite you again to join them. It is never too late to join a club. They're actually wanting you to, so please check out each video this week and consider joining one of them. Now today is very special because today we're launching 2 brand new clubs that have never been here before at CPA. So stay tuned. Within today's announcements, you're going to see their interviews from our club reps. It's game night again. Get your silly on and get ready to fellowship, laugh, play, and compete at our 2nd annual game nights. You can find the sign-ups right below, or you can find them in the DVD on the weeks that they are happening. So make sure that you sign up and don't miss out on the fun. Don't miss out. If you haven't ordered your yearbook yet, do it now. The yearbook offers the opportunity to create 2 personalized pages with your own pictures and comments. These pages are private and only accessible to you, so you can have fun capturing memories. We actually have a page on our yearbook info guide that walks you through how to do that. Additionally, you can request signatures from your teachers and your friends to add to these pages as well. So, keep in mind this process takes a while, so if you haven't created an account and/or ordered your yearbook, you can find the information on our yearbook information guide, and the deadline to complete this is May 1st. Remember I told you we're launching 2 brand new clubs? Watch this.
Hey CPA, today I am here with Isabel Torres, the leader of CPA Students for Life Club. How are you doing today, Isabella?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking.
Awesome, yeah. So, what made you want to start the CPA Students for Life Club?
I guess just seeing that even though this is a Christian school, we don't really have clubs or specific events to group people through things that, or for things that might be considered controversial but are really important biblically. So, yeah, that's kind of the reason.
Yeah, what kind of topics were you thinking?
Specifically abortion and other life issues about life,
Yeah, definitely.
surrounding abortion. And it's a broad topic, so whatever comes up.
Yes, that's awesome. Yeah. So what are you guys going to be talking about during your meetings? Like you just said, of the topics you're going to be talking about, but like what kind of will you be doing during your meetings?
A big part of it is mainly, I guess, for education, so that we understand like why we believe what we believe. Because we can say we're pro-life, but if we don't know how to defend what we're saying we believe, what's the point of it? So, understanding that and being able to talk with others and to gather and group our ideas together.
Awesome. And when will you guys be meeting?
Wednesdays at 10. The start date is not determined yet.
Perfect. And perfect. What teacher will be hosting you guys?
Mr. Arzi.
Awesome. Okay, well I think that is all the questions I have for you today. Thank you so much for interviewing with me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey there, I am here today with Hannah Craven. She is the student leader for the Bible Animal Journaling Club. Hannah, tell us a little about our club.
Yeah, so at each meeting we'll be covering a new animal topic. So for this first week we'll be talking about lambs, meaning we'll read passages that discuss the lambs throughout the Bible. Then after we'll share some thoughts on correlations between the verses, and we'll journal in any form of our choice what we learn from it.
That is so cool. A lamb, that is very cool. You'll find a lot of verses actually about lambs, I'm sure it is. When will you guys be meeting?
Starting on January 26th, we'll be meeting every other Thursday at 3 p.m. PST in Ms. Robinson's Zoom.
Awesome. And then Awesome. So that is actually very cool. I'm super excited about this club. Will you guys be like doing anything with the Bible club? I know you guys are two separate clubs, but would you guys ever kind of combine them, or not like combine them, but like cross them? I guess.
So we haven't necessarily talked about it, but I guess that could be a possibility in the future.
Awesome. What made you want to? What made you want to start this club?
Well, I've always kind of thought it was interesting that, since I love animals, that there are all these different references like eagles, lambs, dogs, that people don't necessarily tend to focus on. It's more so just kind of like a quick reference and then move on with the rest. So I thought it would be kind of interesting to have a club to focus on that and kind of grow.
Yeah, that is super cool. Yeah, we've been needing one of these clubs. Where can we sign up for this club?
So actually in the CD, there will be a form that you just fill in your name, grade, and whether you're coming to join.
Awesome. I am so excited. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Yeah.
Wow, those sound amazing. Be sure to sign up. The links are right below. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Have a wonderful second week of the second semester, and we'll see you in the DD.